Hello everyone, I'm Mohit. I'm currently pursuing MBA from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today's topic is accounting standards. Accounting standards. Accounting standards provides a framework for financial reporting, ensuring transparency and consideration. This presentation will explore the major types of accounting standards. GAAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. Generally Accepted Accounting Principles was developed by the Financial Accounting Standards Board (FASB) in US. Generally accepted accounting principles focus on providing guidance for the preparations of financial statements for publicly traded companies. In this slide, we are going to know about IFRS. IFRS means International Financial Reporting Standards. International Financial Reporting Standards was developed by the International Accounting Standard Board (IASB). International Financial Reporting Standards focus on providing guidelines for preparing of financial statements for companies operating in multiple countries. Let us focus on GASB. Government Accounting Standards. Government Accounting Standards was developed by the Government Accounting Standards Board (GASB). Government accounting standards focus on providing guidance for the preparation of financial statements for states and local governments. Let us know about FASB, Not for Profit Accounting Standards. Not for Profit Accounting Standards was developed by the Financial Account Standards Board (FASB) in US. Not for Profit Accounting Standards focus on providing guidelines for preparing of financial statements for non-profit organizations. Let us know about key differences between GAAP and IFRS. Inventory valuation. GAAP allows for the use of LIFO. LIFO means last in first out, while IFRS only permits FIFO. FIFO means first in first out. Revenue recognition. IFRS use a more principles-based approach, while GAAP is more rule-based. Leases. IFRS required all leases to be capitalized, while GAAP uses a more nuanced approach. You can also see the examples prepared by FIFO and LIFO. In this slide, we are going to know about advantages and disadvantages of GAAP. Advantages of GAAP. Advantage. Well established and widely understood in US. Disadvantage of GAAP can be complex and cumbersome for smaller companies. Now let's know about advantages and disadvantages of IFRS. Advantage of IFRS. Simplified financial reporting for multinational companies. Disadvantages of IFRS can be difficult to implement for companies that are not used to a principle-based approach. In this slide, we will going to know about convergence of GAAP and IFRS. The convergence of GAAP and IFRS. In 2002, the FASB and IASB began collaborating on a project to converge GAAP and IFRS. The converge effect has made more significant progress, resulting in a great alignment between two sets of standards. The goal of GAAP and IFRS is to create a single set of high-quality global accounting standards that are easily understood and can be applied easily. In this slide, you can see the GAAP and IFRS importance and with examples. The future of accounting standards. Future accounting standards may include IFRS 18 and IFRS 19, which were introduced in 2024 by the International Accounting Standard Boards (IASB). These standards will be effective in 2027. Explanation of IFRS 18. The standards cover presentation and disclosure in financial statement. IFRS 19. This standards covers without public accountability and disclosure. Other future accounting trends include advanced analytics, convergence with IFRS, statement of cash flow. Advanced analytics. Advanced analytics means accountability will need to able to analyze large amount of data to gain insights. They will help decision making and strategy planning. Convergence with IFRS. Some countries, including India, may need to converge their accounting standards with IFRS. Statement of cash flow. The IASB may take improvements to the statement of cash flow by IAS 7 amendments. Thank you.